Today, we will talk about how to extend your garage. Let's have a look at the details. Is your garage a bit too cramped for comfort? Or are you looking to repurpose some unused space? Garage extensions are definitely a big undertaking, but the end results are very rewarding. If you aren't sure where to start, watch this video. It tackles several frequently asked questions about garage extensions, so you can put your best foot forward during your future home improvements. How can I extend my one-car garage? Lengthen your garage to create a larger workspace. Does your garage tend to double as a home workshop? When you lengthen your garage, you create a lot more room for your tools and equipment. This type of extension can also provide more storage space or help convert your garage into another living space. Widen your garage to fit more cars. Parking space is essential to any home, especially if you're getting a new car. Transform your one-car garage into a two-car garage, or widen your garage slightly to give your car a little more room. Raise your garage height to fit bigger vehicles. A typical garage is great for basic vehicles, like sedans and SUVs, but likely won't be tall enough for a trailer or RV. A taller garage can also fit a car lift, which makes working on your vehicles much easier. Can I build an addition on top of my garage? You can, but it requires a lot of construction and planning. First, you'll need to hire an engineer to inspect your current garage. They'll let you know if the frame and foundation can support an extra extension. Then, ask a contractor to inspect and reinforce the garage's foundation if needed. At this point, hire building professionals to complete the renovations, who can make sure the addition is up to code. Can I turn my garage into extra living space? Yes, you can definitely transform your garage into more living space. You might turn your garage into a studio apartment, or convert it into a home gym. Other people turn their garages into home offices, playrooms, or kitchen extensions. Do I need a permit to extend my garage? You'll probably need a permit, but it depends on where you live. Meet with a local government employee to see what specific permits you'll need. Different cities, states, provinces, and countries each have unique zoning requirements. How close to my property line can I build an extension? Ask your county or local government for specifics. Zoning requirements aren't universal, and your project requirements will definitely depend on where you live. Stop by your local government office. An employee there can let you know what is and isn't allowed. Can I extend my garage by myself? You technically can, but it's not a great idea. Unless you have a lot of contracting experience, you're better off hiring a professional. Garage extensions require a lot of construction and engineering expertise. To be safe, hire professional contractors to get the job done. How much does a garage extension cost? The average garage extension costs over $12,000. When you break it down, garage extension projects are a combination of materials and labor. Certain materials, like brick and metal, are significantly more expensive than other building materials, like wood. Additionally, bigger projects, like converting a one-car garage into a two-car garage, take more time to complete and cost more than a smaller add-on. The extension will cost more if you hire construction specialists. If you're expanding and converting your garage into a different space, you may need extra professionals to finish the job, like carpenters and electricians. For large-scale jobs, like an addition, you might also hire an architect or designer to draw out the extension plans. How long does it take to build a garage? It usually takes between 1 to 2 weeks to build a garage. Ultimately, the timeline depends on the extension you're getting done, as well as the materials you're using. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.